This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus versus the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now a lot of you requested this, so here it is. They both have the Snapdragon 855. Note 10 Plus has 12 gigs of RAM. The S10 Plus has 8. They're both on Android 9 and their latest version of their One UI interface. Gonna go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. Ooh, so close on the boot up. You guys are the judges. And as a side note, the S10 Plus does have a broken screen protector, so that's what the broken glass is. And we are in! Nothing in the background on both. As you can see, all apps and caches have been cleared. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Note 10 Plus, messages. Note 10 again, the camera. We'll do it like this so you can see the viewfinder, and let's go. Tie. Clock on both phones. Tie again. We'll start the stopwatch and we'll leave that running in the background. Samsung Internet Browser on both. We'll do a search for Note 10 Plus. Go. Identical performance. We'll click on the first link. Go. Very fast. Let's see. We'll click on this link. Go. Very fast again. I'll get rid of this and say no thanks to that. And we'll scroll through this. As you can see, nice and buttery smooth on both phones. And this seems to be the end on the S10 Plus. I'm gonna scroll back again. Oh, it's just loading on the S10 Plus. That could be network related, so you can take that with a grain of salt. But generally speaking, get rid of that. Looking at the browsing here, nice and fast. Should not be a problem for either device. Get rid of that again. We'll leave it there. Calculator. Draw. The Play Store. Ooh, very close. Maybe the S10 on that one actually. We'll go ahead and click on this one. And then click on this one. And we're gonna install this. Nah, we'll leave it there. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, very close. We'll click on this one, the deal of the day. eBay. Ooh, close again. We'll click on these shades by Oakley. Very identical performance so far. Not seeing a big difference one way or the other. Super Mario Run. Loading on both phones. Ooh, and give that to the S10 Plus. Tap to begin. Temple Run 2. Blooming Sands. Ooh, S10 Plus, or no, the Note 10 Plus out in front. Play. We'll leave it. Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in. Looks like the Note 10 Plus is ahead here. Ooh. Note out in front. And we'll give this to the Note 10 Plus. So you can see. Asphalt 9. Note 10 out in front by a tad. Will the S10 Plus catch it? It does not, and give the win to the Note 10 Plus. PUBG Mobile. Ooh, neck and neck. Ooh, can't tell which one's ahead. Maybe the Note 10 by a tad. Oh, loading on both. Let's see. Oh, Note 10 out in front by just a little bit. S10 Plus has all this extra stuff. Don't know what all this is. Get rid of that. Pretty much the same though, not a huge difference either way. Adobe Photoshop Express. I do have this 8K image on both phones. I'm gonna go ahead and click on this charm filter. I'm gonna choose charm 1. And then I'm gonna level it up all the way to the max. I'm gonna click on this on both phones. And let's see, which one do it faster? Okay, that's a tie. I'm gonna save the gallery on both, see which one saves it faster. And let's go. Note 10 Plus by a little bit. Twitter. Identical, maybe Note 10 Plus. IG. Tie. WhatsApp. Note 10 Plus by Tag. And Snapchat. Note 10 Plus. So let's take a look at the multitasking on both phones. All apps in the background. So you can see Note 10 Plus has 12 gigs of RAM. S10 Plus has 8. Will that play a factor? We'll find out. We'll run through these apps again, see if any reload or any stutters, etc. And let's check it out. Looking good so far on both. Here's the PUBG, same place, ready to play. And the Asphalt 9. Good to go on both. Angry Birds 2. Oh, a little bit of a lag there on the S10 Plus. Not a reload, but a little bit of a lag. And the Temple Run 2 is good to go. Mario Run. Mario Time on both. That's for show. eBay. And there you go. Amazon. Okay, looking good so far on both phones for the most part. Annoying TikTok app. Calculator. Nice and butter on both so far. The internet. Same web page. Good to go. The clock. Still running the stopwatch. The camera. There you have it. Messages. And the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Samsung Knight with a Samsung Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus? If you have this phone, are you gonna go ahead and upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or Note 10 Plus? Does the Note 10 Plus have enough features to make you want to switch from your S10, or if you have an S9, a Note 9, Note 8, or even an S8, S8 Plus to get this phone? Now I gotta say, so far I am loving the Note 10 Plus, love the way it looks. The screen is fantastic, although I will have to say that I kinda wish it still had the headphone jack and a 90Hz display like the OnePlus 7 Pro. Anyway, let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Thanks for watching. Peace out.